Hard work used to be enough. For most people today, it isn't. If effort alone created wealth, teachers would be rich, nurses would be millionaires, construction workers would be driving Ferraris. But they aren't, not because they don't work hard enough, but because the rules of the game have changed. Something shifted, and most people were never told about the new rulebook. This video isn't about blaming the system, it's about understanding it so you can finally start winning. Let's start by looking at the old deal versus the new deal. For generations, the formula for success was simple. You put in time, which translated into effort, and that produced money. It was a direct trade. You traded your hours for a predictable income. This deal worked perfectly fine for decades, especially when the economy was built on physical labor and steady incremental growth. If you wanted to earn more, you just worked more hours. The path was clear, even if it was grueling. But that deal has broken down. We're not in an industrial economy anymore. We're in a digital one, a world of infinite leverage, where your productivity isn't tied to how many hours you can stay awake. The new economy doesn't reward raw effort. It rewards leverage. It rewards your ability to scale your impact far beyond the hours you physically put in. This is the fundamental shift that has left so many hardworking people feeling stuck, running faster and faster just to stay in the same place. So what is this leverage? Think of it as a force multiplier for your efforts. There are 4 main types, and understanding them is the key to breaking free from the time-formity trap. The first type is the one everyone knows: labor. This is simply getting other people to work for you. It's the oldest form of leverage, the basis of every company with more than one employee. But it's slow to build and comes with massive management headaches. The second type is capital. This is money working for you. You invest your money into stocks, real estate, or businesses, and it generates more money without you actively trading your time. This is incredibly powerful, but it has a high barrier to entry. You need money to make money. It's a great way for the rich to get richer, but it's not an accessible starting point for most people. The third and fourth types are where things get interesting. Because they are new and permissionless, the third type is code. This is software, automation, and algorithms. A single piece of software can serve millions of users at once, doing the work of 1 million human employees without getting tired or asking for a raise. It's almost infinite leverage. But until recently, accessing it meant you had to be a programmer or have the capital to hire one. The fourth type is media. This is creating content that builds an audience. A single YouTube video, a viral tweet, or a popular podcast can reach millions of people, building trust, an influence at a scale that was once reserved for major television networks. Like code, it detaches your impact from your time. You record it once, and it works for you forever. For most of history, the average person only had access to one form of leverage: their own labor. They could trade their time, and that was it. The other forms were locked behind gates of capital or specialized skill. But now AI has just given everyone access to code-level leverage without needing to write a single line of code. You can now tell a machine what to do in plain English, and it will build, analyze, and automate for you. That is the monumental shift. That is the opportunity. This explains why so many hard workers get stuck. They're playing by the old rules in a new game. Hard workers optimize for effort. They ask, how can I work more hours? How can I be more productive within those hours? They're focused on maximizing their personal input, but there's a hard cap on that. You only have 24 hours in a day. You can only type so fast or make so many calls. Smart workers, on the other hand, optimize for systems. They ask a different set of questions. How can I build a system that works, even when I'm not? How can I use technology to amplify my output by 100x, not 1.1x? If your income is directly tied to the number of hours you clock in, AI is a threat. It can do some of your tasks faster. But if your income is tied to the output you create, the problems you solve, the value you deliver, then AI becomes your superpower. It multiplies your ability to produce that output. This brings us to the new formula for income in the modern economy. It's no longer about just working hard. The income you generate today looks more like this. Your skill, multiplied by the leverage you use, multiplied by the scale of your distribution. Let's break that down. Skill is your foundation. It's what you're good at. This is still non-negotiable. You have to provide real value. Leverage is your force multiplier. This is the code, media, capital, or labor you apply to that skill. It's how you scale your value beyond a one-to-one exchange. And distribution is your reach. It's how many people your leveraged skill can impact. You can have the best skill in the world and incredible leverage. But if no one knows you exist, your income is zero. Remove any single part of that equation, and the whole thing collapses. Great skill with no leverage or distribution means you're an undiscovered genius working a low-wage job. Great leverage with no skill means you're just amplifying mediocrity. It won't last. And great distribution with no skill or leverage to back it up just makes you a fleeting internet celebrity with nothing to offer. The magic happens when you combine all three. This is precisely why you see creators, founders, and AI-powered freelancers winning right now. They instinctively understand this new formula. A creator combines a skill like comedy or education with media. You reach a global distribution. A startup founder combines a skill with code leverage in the form of an app and uses venture capital and marketing to achieve distribution. An AI-powered freelancer uses their core skill, but amplifies it with AI tools. The new code, leverage to serve more clients and deliver more value than ever before. The game has changed. The old path of just working harder and harder is a trap that leads to burnout, not wealth. The new path is about working smarter, not longer. It's about building systems that work for you. So stop chasing hustle for hustle's sake. Stop wearing burnout as a badge of honor. Instead, ask yourself, how can I start building leverage? Because in today's world, that is the question that will truly define your financial future. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more content on how to navigate the future of work. Check out some of the links below to start building leverage. And thank you for watching.